Oh. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the Battle Breaks. I know we've been playing it a lot, but it's a good game. So today we're gonna try to get the farthest we can in Chapter 2 in tumored mode. Let's get it. So I recorded a video already, but it crashed like halfway through. So, this is my loadout. I feel like I should change it a little. We did warm up, we did Cooler Daniel, but it didn't record it on video, so... Well, I did record it on video, but like I said, it crashed halfway through, so I'm recording it again. Yeah, come at me, bro. Oh, come on, we gotta let tumored badly attack. I mean, tarnished. We gotta let tarnished badly attack at some point. He gotta summon his minions. Not like he already has a bunch of minions that burn you alive or anything. You see how much damage you done? Good. Also, yeah, I turned off some of the good things because, you know, some people are epileptic and I don't want people having, seizures and stuff watching my stuff. Because sometimes I forget to put warnings and I don't want to have a doom by fate situation. But to be fair, Doom by Fate, it wasn't their fault. Because, well, you know, the game bugged out and the button for epilepsy wasn't working, so 1X caused the death of someone. Never thought that 1X would actually kill someone. Ooh. Alright, I say I switch my Doombringer. Alright. That's better. Come at me, sharpshooting. You can't sharpshoot at me. Because I'm sharpshooting at you. With my actual gun. Hold on. I keep forgetting that the battle bricks used to be like... No, I didn't want to go in there. I keep forgetting that the battle bricks used to be a meme game and all the settings are funny. What? No.
It's starting to bore me how much you suck.
Oh, so it's like the person who lost the dog kind of mechanic. I love how he has no animations. I need to learn who that is. Oh, that's Gallant? Wow. Looks like I'm gonna get some bricks. Alright, let's do this.
It's starting to bore me how much you suck.
What? No, don't disconnect me. What's wrong with you?
It's starting to bore me how much you suck.
Oh, now I can't save.
There is no way this happened in 2 videos, now dog.
There is nothing here. I should make a badge where if you get that like multiple times in a row, you should get like a secret unit or something. Wow, since I disconnected, you guys should totally subscribe. Subscribe right now! Subscribe! But it has to be quick. Or else you're not gonna get it. What do you guys think chapter 7 is gonna be? What? How did I beat it? I wasn't even in the game. Well, I guess I beat it.
Start to bore me how much you suck.
I has your bucket. Oh no, not my bucket. Please, not my bucket. Oh no. Ah!
It's starting to bore me how much you suck.
Who is that? Okay, he can just kidnap people now. That's nice.
Bore me how much you suck.
So you're saying he can just sell a tumored battler? I mean, tarnish. Okay, so that means the end of the stage is more dangerous than any other part of the stage now. Because at the end of the stage, he spawns. And you can just sell anything and everything. So if I have one Titan left and I don't have any money, like a bunch of them could spawn and just sell him. Wow. I'm scared for what the boss could be. Very scared. Something we've already seen. Not that hard.
Bore me how much you suck.
Who the heck? There was a guy with 2 Uzis. I mean, I'll bring Valor back, but like, not gonna do much. No, Pirate Invasion. No, I don't want to.
It's starting to bore me how much you suck.
Come at me, bro. Oh. Craig guy who sells all my stuff. You have to make sure he's never in the front. At least have like meat shields in front so he can't get sold. Excuse me, what is the red herring? Oh, I'm stupid. Is that a minigun? Hold on. Oh, that's the cannoneer. Screw that guy then. Okay. We beat this boss, and then I'm gonna end the video.
Starting to bore me how much you suck.
That is a literal minigun. I have to have ranged units here. Can you stop killing them before Tarnished Battler can get to them? Goodness gravy. Yes, sir. This was a great level. I love the mechanic of him going rage mode. I love the mechanic of the boss going rage mode after he's down enough. But I don't entirely love it because I had to deal with the boss for multiple episodes, which are now defeated, but he had a second form as well. In his second form, well, actually no. He had three forms. The first form isn't that bad, the second form is kind of bad, and then the third form is just bogus. Alright guys, I'll end it here for today, and we'll pick up next time.